What up, YouTube? Decided to do a vlog outside today. Yeah. Yeah, it's actually snowing. It's looking like Christmas in January. It's January 2 today. And this is kind of crazy, actually. Like my jacket. It's the Edward Cullen jacket from Twilight. Oh yeah, check this out, dude. Oh, yeah, it's intense today. It's like a blizzard. It's for like 4 days right now. It's gonna be a blizzard. So in a couple months, I'm going to Disney. I'm gonna vlog at Disney live, kinda, yes. Yeah, it's gonna be sick. I'm gonna do some Airsoft War vlogs while I play Airsoft and then vlog at the same time. This is intense. I mean, it's looking like Christmas in January. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. We need to go back a couple weeks and redo this whole thing. But it's like 25 degrees outside. Look what I'm wearing. Got my DCs on and everything. Yeah. So, this is pretty intense, actually. I can't drive anywhere. My mom won't let me. My friend got in an accident last night. Like, destroyed his bumper of his car. So, yeah, that's what's happening today. I'll do another vlog tonight. And, yeah, have a great day.